trenches. You see me young niggas tryna get our bread right. They want us gone, but we ain't stopping at them red lights. The hate is strong, but the love is stronger like 10 times. We gon' spend they black, but they gon' die if they been mine. They gon' die if they been mine. Brody on the block, he selling dimes, tryna get by. Tryna ice up the watch and freeze the time, cause that shit fly.
What up? So I ordered a new training mount because my old one is slowly going out. Out of all the mounts that I did, that was the first one. Given that the car, when I got the car, it was in terrible condition. All the mounts were shot. So I did the first training mount, and then probably like 2 months after, I did the engine mount and the dogwheel mount. So since this is the first one I did, it's going out due to it not having any sort of resistance to holding the engine, while the other ones were bad. So now that all the other two are good, this one is gonna go out. So I'm changing that now. What you're gonna need is a 16mm socket to take these 4 out. All of them are 16mm sockets. And then you're gonna want a jack to support the bottom of the transmission. So that's what I did. So as you're doing it, you want to put more resistance on the training itself so that it can hold it, so that the motor doesn't like flop down at an angle and you end up tearing the bushings on any of the other mounts. So that's what I did right here. As you see, it's on the trans itself. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take out these other 3 bolts, and after you take out these 3 bolts, you're gonna want a little bit more resistance on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and then I'm gonna show you what the new product looks like. Okay, I installed the new one. This is the new one. This is the old one. It's not bad. It still has some life in it, to be honest. It felt like it was going out, so I just replaced it for the safe side. So this is how it looks. The old one still got some life left in it, but I just did it for safety precautions because I felt like the engine, anytime I shift, it would keep shifting. So I changed it, and I made a mistake. So these are 18mm bolts. The 4 ones are 16mm bolts, and you want to torque these down to 30 pounds. The 4 16mm bolts, you want to torque them down to 30 pounds. And these, you want to torque them down to 45 pounds, and you should be good. So remember, if you don't want to do this alone, you can have somebody help you. Hold the jack stand, the jack, maneuver it, and then you could just do it. But only reason I move so fast is because I have the snap-on 1/2-inch impact gun. So I'm done, and yeah, let's see how it feels. I'll let you know how it feels once I put everything back together. I know I'm gonna have a misfire because I took off the battery, and my coil pack harness is messed up right here. So anytime I start it, it's gonna give me a misfire. So I'm gonna have to move it around a little bit till it's settled. So let's get that going. Hold on. Fucking machine, this dog. Fucking machine. Bomba. Hey, you say you can't do 2-step, bro? on, do it again. Nigga need to bun that shit, bro.